I'm Doug. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, I'm going to show you how to make something that's just quick, easy, can be a great snack, or you can serve it alongside your meal. And that is cheese-filled breadsticks. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat the convection oven. So we're going to touch preheat 400 degrees and then convection 400 degrees for 11 minutes and start. Now that we've got the convection oven preheating, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take a tube of thin crust, pizza crust. My favorite part. And we're going to take that dough. This is one of these things that we kind of tried by accident and really liked, were these silicone cookware. Crust pulled out. I just take a pizza cutter and I go once across through the middle, and then we're going to cut the rest of it up into 5 strips. Just like that. Piece of string cheese. Any flavor that you want to use. These happen to be, I think, like a Kojak, Colby Jack, and just lay one inside the dough. Roll it up, make sure that it's sealed well and that the ends are kind of crimped shut, and into the baking pan. Now, I like mine just plain, like that. But if you want to get a little fancier with them, put some pepperonis. Then put your cheese. And you have an even more exciting snack. So we're going to get the rest of these rolled up, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're all preheated and ready to go. One thing I like with the Sharp convection oven that came in our Tiffin is that the carousel stays in while you're on convection, so it turns while it's cooking. If you don't have that feature in yours, you may want to turn these halfway through. And they're ready. This is what they look like all finished up. Now, like I said earlier, I tend to like them just plain, but here's one I'm just going to leave plain. But if you like them a little fancier, you can take a little bit of butter, let it melt across the top, and sprinkle with a little bit of parmesan. And that's how they look on the inside. That's one with the pepperoni. They are terribly hot, but you can eat them by themselves. Have a little bit of marinara sauce with them. Either way, you've got a great snack or something to accompany your meal with. So again, I hope you've enjoyed. It's a very simple thing to throw together, but they really are delicious. Hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you down the road as we follow the moon. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also, be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.